Hello children, in front of your screen you can see the Bhagavad Gita. The Bhagavad Gita is the holy book of the Hindus. And all Hindus are supposed or should live according to the rules, regulations and ideals given by this book. In simple words, just imagine that Bhagavad Gita is the rule book for the Hindus. Just like you have your school diary, and your school diary contains so many rules that you are supposed to obey. Now tell me whether you should obey the rules written in your school diary or you should obey the rules written in Aryan Public School or in the diary of Saraswati Sishu Mandir. Obviously you know the answer. You have to follow the rules and regulations written in your school diary. Similarly, Hindus respect this book. For them it is a holy book, a Pavitra Grantha, and they try to live their life, they try to conduct their life according to the rules and ideals given in this book. Similarly, for Muslims, the Quran is the holy book, and they try to live their life according to the rules and ideals given in this book. Similarly, for Christians, it is their holy book. The holy book of Christians is the Holy Bible, and all Christians are supposed to live their life according to the rules given in this Holy Bible. They are supposed to live obeying those ideals, adarsa given in this book. Similarly, for Sikh, for people who follow the Sikh religion, Sri Guru Granth Sahib is their holy book. Now, if you are a Hindu, you are supposed to follow Bhagavad Gita. It is the holy book. If you are Hindu. Now, if you are a Muslim, the Quran is your holy book. Now, if you are a Christian, the Holy Bible is your holy book. It is the most important book, right? And if you are a Sikh, you are supposed to live according to the rules and ideals given in Sri Guru Granth Sahib. Now, India is a country where Hindus also live, Muslims also live, Christians also live, and the Sikhs also live. Apart from these four major religions, people of other religions such as Buddhism, Sikh and Jaina and Parsi, they also live in our country. Now my question is, which holy book all Indians should obey? Those who live in India, they are called Indians. Okay, so all Indians should follow which holy book? Is it the Bhagavad Gita, or is it the Quran, or is it the Holy Bible, or is it the Guru Granth Sahib? Now, if you are an Indian, if you are an Indian, you could be an Indian and you could also have a separate religion. Doesn't matter what is your religion. You may be a Hindu, may be a Christian, may be a Sikh, or may be a Muslim. The holy book for all Indians is this, the Constitution of India. This is the holy book for all Indians. Okay, and it contains rules and ideals. It contains various rules and ideals. Ideals mean adarsa. And on basis of those rules and ideals, our country runs. ଆମ ଦେଶ ସମ୍ବିଧାନରେ ଥିବା ଆଇନ ଆଉ ନୀତିକୁ ନେଇକି, ଆଇନ ଆଉ ଆଦର୍ଶକୁ ନେଇକି ଆମ ଦେଶ ଚଳିଥାଏ ବା ଗଢ଼ିଥାଏ. Okay, so this is all. Thank you for your attention.